Indian users, you need to define your importer name for all of your products. So before you pull your products from Shopify, you need to go to system fields. And if you have not already synced your system fields, you can sync them from here. And origin country and importer name, you need to define here. So you can simply click on edit and you can define your importer name, which can be your company name. And this is a mandatory requirement by Meta for Indian businesses to provide an origin country and importer name. So you need to define default values for them. With this, there's one more field. One second, let me share with you. So there are 3 fields which are mandatory: importer name, origin country, and the WhatsApp compliance category. So for this, the default value has to be country origin underscore exempt. So this you need to define before you pull products from Shopify. And once you have defined the default, then you can proceed with the option to pull all of your existing products from Shopify. Thank you.